Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. We're in Las Vegas, Nevada at the RVDA, and check this out. We open up, oh, this is, sorry about that, the 2024 River Sabre 32GKS. That's an outdoor refrigerator there, and really a nice RV. I had not shot one of these before. Tandem axle, you can tell by the slide, it's covering up the axles, but this does have a tandem axle.
You sound like my wife. Let me get out of here.
And that's one of the sales guys that was in there. I was talking to him. So this is pretty impressive in the inside. I think you're really going to like it. If you're a patriot, you love this country, you're going to really like it. They've got a lot to offer. There's the 32GKS badging as we step up inside. I love the lighting on the island there, the accent lighting underneath the countertop. So your dining table has 4 chairs, then you have theater seating as well as a fold-out couch. Check out that flat-screen TV, fireplace, 3-burner cooktop, nice-size oven, microwave oven, and there is the center island. Really like that sink, and then the spray head, just like in a restaurant. Very nice-size oven. You can see the LED lighting on the knobs, the blue lighting. Plenty of drawer and cabinet space, as well as a pantry. We'll show you more of that here in a moment. There's a sink. Oh, wow. And the drawers are custom drawers, custom-like. So that's for your spices there, and then the top drawer was for your utensils.
In the drawer,
and then we have the garbage pan there, where you could use it for recycling or whatever you wanted to use it for. Very nice size sink.
No, I'm sorry. Here.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's a spice rack.
Oh, wow.
But the spices, you can use it for whatever you want. You can pull those dividers out, but the spices end up facing you. So if you're a cook or a chef, you're really going to like that.
Thank you.
12-volt refrigerator side by side. Here's the pantry that I mentioned. Very nice sized pantry. You have a planning center, and then cabinets above with a smoke glass. And again, 2024 Forest River.
Now you don't sound like
Sabre,
my wife anymore.
32GKS. As we go up the steps, we see the bathroom, accent lining behind the mirrors. So we have storage on the left of the shower. And we walk in the bedroom. We have a king-size bed. And then we have this cabinet space. So it's pre-wired and pre-plumbed. That also accesses the closet. So it's pre-wired, pre-plumbed for a stackable washer and dryer, or one of the newer models where it's a washer and dryer all in one unit. Backer board for your flat screen TV in your bedroom, and then you have a bank of drawers there. We head back down the steps, and you get a look at the family room. Thanks again for watching.